What is the most important part of your solar system? It isn't the panels, the inverter, or even the batteries, but a warranty. You may never fully understand until something goes wrong. Solar companies, they love advertising 25-year warranties as if they guarantee decades of worry free power. But the reality is much more complicated. Many homeowners assume a long warranty means every possible problem will be covered for decades. In practice, solar warranties come with conditions, limitations, exclusions, and fine print that can dramatically affect what is actually protected. And understanding the truth about solar warranties can save you thousands of dollars, prevent the future headaches, and help you make smarter decisions before signing a contract. And the first thing you need to understand is there is no single solar warranty, and most solar systems are covered by multiple warranties that protect different components and situations. And the three major categories are the product warranties, the performance warranties, and the workmanship and installation warranties. Each serves a different purpose, and confusing one another is where many homeowners get caught off guard. A product warranty covers defects in the physical solar panel itself, and if the panel fails because of manufacturer defects, materials, or workmanship, problems from the manufacturer, this warranty may provide repair or replacement. And many premium solar panel manufacturers now offer product warranties ranging from 25 to 40 years, and which sounds impressive. However, a product warranty does not automatically cover your labor costs, your shipping expenses, your roof work, your electrical troubleshooting, or revenue loss from reduced energy production. It often only covers the defective components. And the second type is the performance warranty. This is the warranty most commonly used in solar marketing. You'll often hear claims that a panel is guaranteed to produce at least 85 to 92% of its original output after 25 years. And that sounds reassuring, but it's important to understand that it actually means, solar panels naturally degrade over time. A performance warranty guarantees the degradation will not exceed a specific rate. It does not guarantee, though, your utility bill savings, your return on investment, or a certain amount of annual energy production. And if your system underperforms because of shading, the dirt, the accumulation of it, and weather conditions, the design mistakes, or other factors unrelated to the panel degradation, the performance warranty may not help. And the third most major category is the workmanship warranty, which covers installation related issues. This may include the roof preparation or the penetration, the wiring mistakes, the mounting hardware problems, and leaks caused by the installation, or other errors made during the installation progress or the process. This warranty is often the most important one because many solar system problems originate from the installation quality rather than the manufacturing defects. And surprisingly, workmanship warranties can vary dramatically. Some installers they offer only a few years of coverage, while others provide 10 to 25 or even a lifetime workmanship guarantee or warranty. And the catch is that a workmanship warranty is only as valuable as the company providing it. If the installer goes out of business, the warranty may effectively disappear. And that brings us to one of the biggest truths about solar warranties. A warranty is only as strong as the company backing it. A 30-year warranty sounds fantastic until the company issuing it no longer exists. And the solar industry has experienced rapid growth, mergers, acquisitions, and business failures over the years. And some companies that aggressively sold long term warranties simply were not around long enough to honor them. And before choosing a solar provider, investigate how long they've been in business, their financial stability, the customer reviews, and the manufacturer relationships. Another common misconception is that the warranty claims are easy. And in reality, filing a claim can sometimes be a lengthy process. You may need production data, the photographs, the service reports, proof of ownership, purchase documents, and diagnostic testing. And the manufacturer may require evidence that the issue is specifically caused by a covered defect. And in some situations, months can pass between identifying a problem and receiving a solution. Understanding the claims process before you buy can be just as important as understanding the warranty length itself. The homeowner should also pay close attention to labor coverage too. Many of people assume replacement labor is automatically included. Often it is not. Imagine a solar panel fails after 15 years and the manufacturer might send a replacement panel at no cost. However, removing the old panel, transporting the equipment, scheduling technicians, reinstalling the new panel, and performing electrical inspections could still generate significant cost. And some premium warranties include the labor reimbursement, while others do not. and the difference could mean hundreds of even thousands of dollars out of the pocket. Inverters deserve a special attention too because they are frequently the first major component to fail. Solar panels may last 25 to 40 years, but inverters often have shorter warranty periods. Depending on the type and the manufacturer, inverter warranties may range from 10 to 25 years. And since the inverter converts solar energy into usable household electricity, a failure can significantly impact system performance. Always examine the inverter warranty details separately from panel warranties because they are often completely different. And battery warranties have their own set too of rules too. With the rise of home energy storage, many homeowners assume battery warranties operate like the panel warranties. They usually do not. You know, battery warranties often include limited based on years and energy throughput, cycle counts, retained capacity, or a combination of these factors. For example, a battery may be warranted for to a certain percentage of its original storage capacity after a specific number of years or charging cycles. And understanding these limits is critical because the batteries naturally lose the capacity over time. Another important truth is that the warranties usually contain exclusions: damage from extreme weather, the flooding, fire, animal interference, unauthorized modifications, improper maintenance, or physical impact may not be covered. Some warranties exclude cosmetic defects that do not affect the performance, and others may require specific maintenance procedures or prohibited work by unauthorized technicians. Reading these exclusions can reveal what is and is not realistically protected. And transferability is another major factor homeowners are often overlook. If you sell your house, can the warranty transfer to the new owner? Many warranties allow transfers, but some require paperwork, fees, or modifications within a specific time frame. A transferable warranty can increase your home's value and better confidence, while a non-transferable warranty may provide little benefit after a property sale. And monitoring the systems are also worth discussing because many warranties claim relying on performance data. Modern solar systems often include apps that track the production. And if your monitoring system stops functioning or your data becomes unavailable, diagnosing future warranty issues can become more difficult. And maintaining access to the system's records and production history may strengthen your position if a claim becomes necessary. And perhaps the biggest takeaway is that warranty length alone should never determine your purchase decision. A 40-year warranty from an unknown company may be less valuable than a 25-year warranty from an established manufacturer with a proven track record. Focus on the warranty coverage, the exclusions, the labor protection, the transferability, claim procedures, and company stability rather than simply chasing the biggest number in the marketing brochure. Yeah, solar warranties can provide valuable protection, but they are not magical shields against every possible problem. They are legal agreements with specific terms, responsibilities, and limitations. And the smartest homeowners approach warranties with realistic expectations, ask the detailed questions before signing contracts, and carefully compare the coverage between providers. And when you understand what is actually covered, who is responsible, and how claims are handled, you can separate the marketing promises from the real protection. And the truth about solar warranties is simple. The best warranty is not necessarily the longest one. It's the one you fully understand before you need to use it. Thanks for watching today. If you found value in today's video, please subscribe. We're looking to build the subscription base here at this channel, and we can't do it without you. So if you would, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. Have a good day.